Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Redig, the founder of Beyond Limits by Floor Rescue. Welcome to our installer-led Skool community where we install Beyond Limits in the decorative concrete and concrete coatings trade. I've built this space because, like you, I've faced costly installer mistakes. Here we skip the hype. You get real results and practical methods from someone who's been there, done that, and wore the t-shirt more times than I care to admit. Inside, you're going to find weekly live Zoom trainings where I will share insider tactics. You'll also find peer support where you can ask questions and share your wins and your challenges. We're going to give you step-by-step installation breakdowns and also give you tips and pricing strategies so that you can market yourself well in your area. Everything we do is installer-led and installer-focused. So there is no brand bias and there's no manufacturer trying to sell you anything. Here's how to get started. Jump into our next live Zoom. Check the calendar. Introduce yourself in the welcome thread. Let us know who you are, where you're from, and where you're at in this journey as an entrepreneur in this trade. Also want you to share your goals, post your wins, post your questions. This is our community. I'll be active in the group and I'm here to help you level up. So join the 7-day free trial. Turn on your notifications and let's dive in. Let's push your business beyond limits. I can't wait to see what you do inside of this trade.